In this video, you're going to learn how to use BigQuery Sandbox, in which you can learn how to set up your sandbox, how to use the BigQuery, how to upload the data in your BigQuery and use the SQL within the BigQuery. Let's go. You go to Google, you write GCP BigQuery Sandbox, and you're gonna get this one here. You click on that, you wait a bit. Once you go to this website, you're gonna see the go to BigQuery. You go to BigQuery and you're gonna have this window opening in front of you. What you're gonna do, in the first time, you're gonna have here the option to create the new project. So you create the new project, you give the name to the project, you say SQL Ibritics. Click create. Invalid characters. There are invalid characters, of course. Let's see. Yes, because you cannot use the underscore while creating the name. It should be dash, or it should be attached to each other. So once you have created, you click on the select project, give it some time. It's going to create, open the new project. You're gonna see here that you are in the new project. You see. So what you're gonna do next is to go to SQL Ibritics. Click on this arrow here. It's going to open this one here. You're gonna see everything, but one thing here, your dataset is missing. So you click this 3 dots. You click on create dataset, and you create the dataset. The dataset name, you are defined the dataset name. I'm going to call it sales dataset, and I'm going to use data from a public data. So here is my data. What you're gonna do, you're going to create the dataset. Once you have created the dataset, then you're gonna have here sales. You see this dataset is created. Once you click on this, there's nothing in it. So what you do, you create a table. Once the table is created, you call it I want to upload. You have different options here to get from Google Cloud Storage, from Drive, from Amazon S3. But in our case, we are gonna go to our sales data. So we open the sales data, and the file format it has been defined by automatically, and because it's already sales data, CSV, and project we're already seeing, like which project is that, the dataset name, and what you're gonna do, keep editing, table name. So table name is going to be sales 2017. All right, and then what you do here is to click on auto detect schema. So you auto detect the schema, then you can leave this part, it's important part, but for now you can leave it and go and click on the create table. Now it's gonna create the table. It says that it has created a table, and now you're gonna see this one here. This is the table. What you can do with this table, first you can click on the preview the table. You see there's a problem with this table, and it hasn't been uploaded correctly. In order to avoid this problem, what we could do while creating the table, we could have used our delimiter, and in this case we could use this and say that the delimiter here, file delimiter is custom, and say that it is a semicolon, right? And auto detect as the same, and sales, instead of sales, it's gonna be like sales 2017 second try, and you create the table. This time you're again creating the table, and you go this one, and in this case you see already this all the fields are correctly uploaded. You click on preview and you see everything here as it should be. And if you want to do a query, you click on query, you say select everything from sales, this one here, you copy ID and paste here, and you run. All right, it says about the cost. Of course, you're gonna have cost and reseller key, customer key, product key, and so on and so forth. You can do whatever you want with this data set. It's gonna give you always the values that you want to get. Sales amount, it's almost the same, the sales amount, and probably because we have the same, because order line key is the same, whatever it was. It's over the our video, and if you liked it, please subscribe and like and support, so I'm gonna make more videos about this.